never be free cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty with me cause you know I'm popular. Shawty with me cause you know I'm popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty with me cause you know I'm popular. Shawty with me cause you know I'm popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty with me cause you know I'm popular.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna do a day in the life. Y'all gonna follow me around throughout this day, and right now I'm gonna go, get some shots up, work out real quick. And if y'all enjoy these, let me know if y'all want a part 2. I'll do another one, and this is gonna be my first one. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Bro, since I'm going to hoop outside, our gym right now, I guess it's getting under construction or something like that. I guess it's getting redone or something. But bro, I need sunscreen, bro. It's been hot lately, and I don't like that, bro. I don't mess with the sun at all. I'm just gonna work out. I'm not gonna demonstrate and show y'all. I'm just gonna work out, add some music behind it. But if y'all want a separate video of me showing y'all how to work out, like by yourself, I'll do that. Just comment down below if y'all want that. But yeah.
Boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris.
1 hour later.
I cannot front to y'all, bro. I cannot lie. I just did like 1 hour, bro. It's too hot. I can't, bro. My camera died. It got overheated. My phone got overheated while I was playing music. When that happened, bro, I knew what time it was. I knew what time it was, bro. I don't even know where my phone is at, bro. Want me to tell you what the temperature is right now? I didn't check. I promise you, I didn't check. I'm estimating it's like 100. It's probably 98. Feels like 103. I'm gonna check right now. Let me get my phone. All right, bro. Look. What? I cannot front to y'all, bro. My phone was in my backpack this entire time. I'm gonna put it in the wind or whatever, the AC. Blast that, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Should I go to the beach and just jump in the water and just leave? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, 95 degrees. 95 degrees. Let's see what the feels like. All right, feels like 103. Look at that. Feels like 103, bro. All right, I'm gonna take this dog to the park. Trying to go to the park, gang? Huh? Fam, you trying to go to the park? All right, bro. We're gonna go to the park. All right, bro? Jump, bruh. Jump, bruh. Alright. Ready? Oh, shoot, boy. You better be careful. Get that jump. Yeah, training them, boy. We training dogs. Feel me? We train it. Yo, where you going? Want some water? Want some water? Want some water? Come here. So I want some water. Here, come here. Get some water, bro. Get some water. Here. This man want to go back to the car. Is that what he's doing? Bro, already, bro? Already? Yo, already, bro? Are you tired? Alright, I'm gonna go get some gas, bro, because my gas is mad low. And we are off, baby. Hey, once this gas done, I'm gonna go in the store and put y'all on. Like I said, once I'm done with this gas, I'm gonna go in the store and I'm gonna put y'all on with a drink, bro. I want everyone that's watching this to go to their local store and get you one if they're there. They should be there because of the top drink, you know. But it's mad good. It gives you good energy. It's just good overall, bro, the taste. But it depends which one you get. When I go in there, I'm gonna tell you which one to get, alright? Alright, drink right here, bro. Get you this one right here. But all those are good, besides that one. That's horrible. But that one's the best. Get you one, bro. Get you one. Gotta shake that drink up, man. Gotta shake it up. Ready? Yes. Yes, bro. I don't know why. I like talking in the mic more. I don't know. It sounds like a lot better. If y'all like me talking into mics, or should I get a mic? I don't know. But I'm going to go to Lila's house, see if I can find her two cats. I know she's not at the house. But, yeah, I got to check on the two cats. She just recently got a newer one, and those two cats are like, I don't want to say mad, but they're not. I don't know. I'm talking too much. Bro, whose dog is this, bruh? Is this a deer? Yo. Could y'all see this dog, bruh? I don't think y'all can see it, bro. That's creepy, dude. That dog has no tail. Looks like a deer, but it's super small. I don't want to be in the middle of the road, though. But yeah, man, if y'all like this mic, bro, or should I mic up? Dang, I'm waving it. You can probably hear mad wind. But yeah, I should get a mic, man. I'm staging right now. I'm gonna save up and get a good mic. So me and Lila can use it. We might do pranks, though. You never know. Feel me? Wow. How dirty, man.
How dare you?
Did I scare you?
I said no.
Oh.
No.
Say hi, Donovan.
Ah.
Meanwhile.
Maybe.
Alright, ready? I go first or you go first? Alright. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Do you have 2 ways to win?
Yeah, right here.
Wait, right here? You should
Yep.
do it like this.
I'm joking, go.
Mommy, they go potty. Mommy. Let's go. Wait for Mommy. There's a...
Cat again. Cat.
You sure? Yeah.
Alright, run back again.
We're keeping so many cats.
I know.
Maybe we're just too good.
Facts.
We are too good. Cap.
Cat. Alright, let's go again.
Wait,
Ready?
you made the circle cat.
Talking to the mic. Wait, hold up. How was your day?
My day was good.
It was what?
Good.
Derek, how was your day?
Good.
We are at a crab area, and I'm gonna get chicken tenders at the crab area. Know the vibes. So Lila behind the camera, she just got a kitten, bro. Show him the kitten.
He's
My
kind of
guy
scared.
Saint. This ain't working, dog.
You gotta put the batteries in.
Oh, dang. Oh.
Derek, look. Derek, look. Yes, he's following the red light.
Hands up, bro. Hands up, bro. But nah, let me stop playing. This some fireworks, bro. I'm about to bring the camera outside. Y'all gonna look at some fireworks, you feel me? And see what this thing does.
I'm in the hood, bro.
You is what? Hold
Stop
up.
playing.
They can't even see you, bro. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, that boy him. What? Bro, what is you put your pants down, bro? What you on, dog? Yeah. What you on? All right, don't turn it, bro. Stop, bro. What are you doing? Watch out.
I got a drop on that lobster. Feeding me fucking lobster.
Yes, sir. Hit the gritty, boy. What the heck, boy?
Pow. I missed the clean. I missed my... Pow. And I got a drop.
Talk to them boys. What this is, Fortnite?
Hey, Liddy.
How much kills you got? Ah, yeah, you're done.
I just popped up these people. The junk is messed up. What with me now? Jit, let's
Bro,
go.
don't touch the camera, bro.
Damn. Oh, yeah.
Sound like Josiah screaming, like a little baby.
Shut the hell up.
Boy.
He's screaming for no reason, too. Raven and Marley.
But I'm trying to get lit tonight. What you doing?
Boy, you need to go to
Were you
bed.
getting lit on Kool-Aid? Shut up.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself.
Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this day in the life video. If y'all want a part 2, comment down below. Or if y'all want Lala to do one, comment to tell her to do one. But I want to give a quick shout out to the users that gave us money for super thanks. Basically, you can give us like a tip or something, and that money will go towards us making videos. So any video ideas that has to do with us spending money, we will use that money. And we truly appreciate all y'all users that have done that. You don't have to do it. It's just if y'all want. But yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Big boy diamond, ice on me changing the climate. She like the way I be vibing. This ain't a grill. Ice on my teeth is permanent. Bought a new gun and I dirtied it. I'm a burglar and a murderer. Try me. I'm a burglar and a murderer. Try me.